have seen so many questions asking how to extract tables from PDF. So here is a simple PDF which contains a one table. So we are going to extract this table into a CSV. So for that you have to install, first of all you have to create a virtual environment. So after activating it, you have to install 3 Python libraries and also one dependency of Go script. So first of all you have to install the camelot.py. Second, you have to install the Go script. So and final, you have to install OpenCV. Now you have to install the dependency of Go script. You can see below, as per the operating system it differs in ways. So since my is Mac OS, I'm going to use brew to install the dependency. So after that we can start writing some codes. First of all we want to import the camelot. Second, we want to declare a variable PDF to read the PDF. I'm having my PDF in my local directory, so I'm just going to pass out the PDF name directly. Next thing, you have to declare a variable table to print out the table inside the PDF. Here the index position refers to the number of tables which is inside the PDF. So we are having only one table here, so we are going to pass out 0. If you want the second table in the PDF to print it out or to convert into a CSV, you have to change it according to the index number. So you have to enter index position of 1. So since I'm having only one table in the PDF, I'm going to pass out index position of 0. So now if we run our script, you can see that it is going to print out the table inside the PDF to a data frame. So as you can see here, the table inside the PDF, it is printed out like a data frame. So the next thing we have to do is convert it into a CSV format so we can view the table and make changes or anything. For that you have to pass out the table dot to CSV and the CSV name you have for the CSV file. So PDF table dot CSV. Once we run this, you can see that a PDF table.csv has been created. So as you can see here, the CSV which we just made has turned the table inside the PDF to CSV file. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like this video.